what your skin actually needs before you spend another £50 or £100 or even more luxury skin jar. I want you to know something. Expensive doesn't automatically mean better for your skin. Natural doesn't automatically mean safer either. Today we are looking at traditional African black soap, modern skincare, and what people with dry, sensitive, or eczema-prone skin should actually be paying attention to. And staying with me, because later I am going to show you the product I've developed for dry and sensitive skin. What is African black soap? Traditional African black soap has been used in parts of West Africa for generations. Different preparation varies, but traditional version can contain ingredients derived from plants, materials such as plantain skins, coconut pods, combined with oils and butters. But here is something important. Just because something is traditional or natural doesn't mean everybody's skin will tolerate it. Some black soaps can be quite cleansing and may leave already dry or sensitive skin feeling tight and irritated. So if you have eczema prone, do not assume that stronger cleansing means better cleansing. Does expensive skincare mean better skincare? Now let's talk about those beautiful luxury jars. Packaging, branding, or price don't tell you whether the product is suitable for your skin. Instead, turn the bottle around and look at the formulation. For dry and sensitive skin, I'm particularly interested in whether a routine cleanses gently, provides adequate moisturization, and helps maintain the skin barrier. Your skin doesn't know whether your moisturizer costs £10 or £100. It responds to the formulation. What about eczema? This is where I want to be particularly careful. Eczema is a medication skin condition, and I'm not suggesting that African black soap or any cosmetic product cures eczema. If you have eczema, particularly severe, affected, wiping, or persistent eczema, speak to your GP, pharmacist, or dermatologist. But when we are talking about everyday skincare for eczema-prone skin, gentleness or moisturizing become very important. Now, I developed this Violet's eczema product. It has interesting skin. I developed my own, and it has helped my child. She was a baby by then, 6 months. Now she's 9 and totally gone. This soap and eczema cream, I sell them on eBay via Violet's Content, or my website www.violetscontent.com, or Amazon via Violet's Content, looking for eczema. This is what it looks like. This is a black soap. And these products, the key ingredients, there is cocoa pod, there is aloe vera, there is the plant called egu, the black plant. There is there's cocoa butter, extra virgin shea butter. So what is the lesson we can learn here? Don't choose skincare simply because it's expensive. Don't choose something simply because it's natural. Learn your skin, read your ingredients, be gentle with your skin barrier, and choose products for your skin actually needs. If you would like more videos about African skincare ingredients, sensitive skin, health, healthy aging, and skincare over 40, subscribe to Violet's Wellness and Beauty. I'll see you next video. And remember, this is educational only. Cosmetic products are not intended to diagnose or treat, cure eczema. Seek professional advice or persist or severe skin symptoms. This has got one of the best reviews from mothers. And my daughter is one of them.